We're able to do many of the operations that are traditionally done on a mill right on our lathe. So as we're bringing in a 12-foot bar, we're able to hold on to that 12-foot bar and do all of your machining from 5 sides of the part. And then we can pick it off with our sub-spindle right on the machine and come in and get to that 6th side and do additional machining and live tooling on the back side of the part. So that allows us to really run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, lights out, running a traditional milled part where you've got somebody having to fixture it and move it in the machine several times. So you're designing a part under 1.5 inches. There's benefits of milling and there's benefits of turning, but what if I could give you both in one operation?
Are you looking for ultra-precise parts with an excellent surface finish? Do you want large quantities with repeatable accuracy? If you need ultra-precision parts turned on a dime, literally, then meet Swissomation, your CNC Swiss machining, micro machining, and prototype experts.
Swissomation is a Swiss screw machine shop. We have CNC machines who make small parts ranging in size from 5 thousandths up to 1 5/8.
Our lathes can actually produce milled features that in a lot of job shop environments, they're not possible.
I think ultra precision is a good word for what we do. We can hold down to plus or minus 1/10,000ths of an inch, and that's typically on diameters. We like to see plus or minus 2/10,000ths of an inch on length because they're a little harder to measure in a lot of cases. There's a little more subjectivity to it. The hardest part about manufacturing parts down to that tolerance for us is actually matching your measurement and our measurement. It's a very, very small measurement.
Meet Swissomation's small parts machining service, the cost-effective way to get large quantity machine parts.
So one of the things that we've really specialized in here at Swissomation is preventing the handling of the parts so that we don't have to pick the part up, refixture it, damage the part, handle it, which is very expensive to the customer. And we were able to come out with a superior product for less money than our competitors.
It's no secret that the less you handle a part, the less it costs to make. And with live tooling, we can mill, turn, bore, ream, cross-drill, tap, and even off-center face drill all on one machine.
The best way to work with us would be to get us involved when you're first designing the part. So you can kind of come up with a design that works the way you want it, and we can handle an NDA.
You may have a part that you've designed that in CAD it fits together well and it looks aesthetically pleasing, but small changes that may not affect the way it's being used can make a big difference in the price.
And then we can work with you to design manufacturability into your parts from day one, and that'll save you a lot of money over the long term. So when you get into thousands and thousands of parts, you could save thousands of dollars.
I like to try and solve the problems that everybody else decides can't be done.
I'm a perfectionist, making sure that they get what they want in a timely manner.
If your shop isn't clean, if you don't have the procedures in place to do the things you do, you cannot run a quality shop, and you can't have the ability to be able to bring a part in and get a part out in days when you're looking for stuff everywhere.
We think like engineers.
We think small.
We think out of the box.
We think ultra precision.
We think about making your part better.
And we think you should work with us.
Think Swiss.